Hi everybody, today we're going to talk about how to upload tasks to your EID scanner, specifically for Agrident or Allflex APR450, 600, 650 or AWR300 EID scanner. Before you're going to use your scanners, make sure your device drivers for the scanners are installed. You can download it from Allflex website or in with your EID scanner in the box is usually a USB drive that contains the device drivers. What you will do is first you need to select what type of task you want to upload to the EID scanner. There was originally, when BenguFarm was developed, we worked with RFID experts. That was taken over by Datamars. It's now called Datamars South Africa. And we call the tasks we developed with them the default BenguFarm tasks. Then there is also the BKB DSS system, and they have separate tasks. So you first need to select which task you're going to use. You can't mix the two together. For that, you'll go to Settings, you go to your Hertz, and you go to your Other options. And you will look at the Allflex APR Task Category. The program, when it's installed, will be on default, and the DSS task is just available for BKB DSS members. So in our example here, if I select BKB DSS, I get a message here to say, this is a restricted function, I can't use it. So if you are a BKB DSS member, you need to contact BKB and ask them to inform BenguFarm that you are a BKB DSS client. Then we load it on our admin system and you'll be able to access it. I'm going to do it quickly in the background here for demonstration. I'm going to save it on our admin system. And if we go back and select BKB DSS, now we can use those functions. I'm going to keep for this video, I'm going to keep it on BKB DSS because there's a few extra things I want to cover that's not covered in the default tasks. When you select your options, please press save to make the change permanent. Talking about the DSS, in the DSS tasks there are fields for member number and for the breed. And if you go here to your general options, so it's settings Hertz general, you'll see there's a Hertz designation mark. That Hertz designation mark is captured in the member selection in the BKB DSS tasks. And also the breed comes from a breed selection. So if you've got different herds on your BenguFarm and they've got different herd designation marks, when you upload the task to your EID scanner, the different options you selected and entered in the breed and the herd designation mark for the different herds will be uploaded as a selection to the BKB DSS tasks. When you use your scanner, you can select between them. So these two fields for BKB DSS is of utmost importance. Once you selected the task category, you can go to Data Center and Import, and Agrident Allflex EID Readers. The connected reader will be displayed top right hand side of the screen. I'm connected to COM3 with the APR600. If a computer doesn't pick up your EID reader, you'll get a message that displays to you the reader can't be picked up. There's a few things you can try in that scenario to check. One is your reader switch on? Second one, is your reader connected to your computer? And the third one, is the EID reader's device drivers installed? If all of those are in place and BenguFarm still doesn't pick up the EID reader, try to put the EID reader in a different USB port. Then you can click on the small little recycle button here. It will rescan the ports for the EID reader and try to pick it up. If it still doesn't pick it up, please contact your BenguFarm agent or the supplier of your EID reader. If your reader is picked up, you'll go to Edit EID Reader Tasks. And here it's very important to look at this warning at the top of the screen. When new tasks are written to the reader, the existing data on the reader is deleted. So it's very, very, very important to first import the data that's currently on your reader before you upload new tasks to the reader. Otherwise, you're going to lose that data. Next, you'll need to select the type of tags you are using. And this is specific to BKB DSS users. The default tasks doesn't have these options and work with EIDs and VIDs set up beforehand. But with the BKB DSS tasks, you can select which type of tags you are using. Whether it's EIDs, whether it's QR codes. The QR codes are saved in a visual ID number of the animal, and whether you want to type in visual ID numbers manually. Most users will use EIDs probably together with visual ID numbers. In that case, select here to use visual ID numbers during registration and lambing also. You don't necessarily want to select visual ID numbers here at the top together with EIDs. And the reason for that is with registrations and lambings, visual IDs will be captured and is already in your system together with EIDs. For subsequent data, it isn't necessary to enter the visual ID numbers because it's a time-consuming process. And the whole reason you have an EID scanner is to make the capturing of data as fast as possible. So you don't want to enter visual ID numbers if it's not necessary. The animals are already in your system for other tasks apart from registrations and lambings. So you scan the animal, you put in a weight or a pregnancy, whatever the case may be, and the match of the data that's on the reader and what's on your PC is linked by EID. Next, you will start to upload your tasks. The available task is displayed on the left-hand side of the screen. If we select different types of tags we use, you will see the list of tasks differs. So you select the task you want to upload and you select the position where you want to upload it to on your EID reader. The APR500 can upload 9 tasks. So for users of the APR500, you'll only see options 1 to 9 here. For the APR600 and 650 and AWR300, they are able to take up to 25 tasks. So you select your task and you select the position where you want to upload it to. If I want to upload the registration to task position 1, I'll click on it. It gives you a warning again that the existing data is going to be overwritten. Are you sure you want to continue? And you say yes, and the data is uploaded. And you can go each task the same. For example, you want a lambing to position number 2. And a linear score, you maybe want in position number 7, etc., etc. As an alternative uploading one task at a time, you can also upload multiple tasks at once. You select the task and the position where it must be on your EID reader. So say you want registration in position 1. You want your lambing task in position 2. You want your weighing task that also has body condition scores in position 3. You want your movement task in position 4. You can do it up until the number of tasks that your EID reader can take. Once you made your selection, you just click on Upload All, and all 4 tasks in this example will now be uploaded to your EID Reader. Once all the tasks is uploaded to your EID Reader, you just click on the Exit button. You'll see a progress bar running a couple of times at the bottom of the screen. This is different lists that BenguFarm writes to your EID Reader that is used in the tasks. For example, if you want to do a camp movement, the list of the camps that is set up in BenguFarm needs to be written to the EID Reader. And this is what you see at the bottom of the screen. Once all of them run through, you know your reader is up to date and you can unplug it and go and start capturing data on your reader. Thank you very much and see you next time with the next video.